Let's walk through the easiest way to put on your Juzo stockings and socks. Compression stockings and socks are different than regular ones, so we're glad you found this video. Let's start with knee highs. Turn the top half of the stocking inside out over the foot. Now point your toe and put your foot in the stocking, easing it over your heel. Then put on your Juzo donning gloves. They keep jewelry or fingernails from snagging the material. Now work the stocking up towards your knee. Take a few seconds to smooth out the fabric. It helps spread the compression evenly so the stocking doesn't feel too tight in just one spot. Follow the same steps to put on thigh highs, then ease the stocking onto your thigh, working the stocking upward using your palms until it reaches the top of your thigh. For pantyhose, ease the body part up to your waist. The seam should run straight up the front. Follow these steps a few times and it'll be second nature. Here's a few tips to help you get the full therapeutic benefit of Juzo stockings. Don't let the fabric get bunched up. That causes constriction and makes it more difficult to put on and take off the stockings. Be sure to use your latex-free Juzo gloves to protect the fabric. Make sure you evenly spread out the fabric using the palms of your hands. And never fold over the silicone border. That will cause constriction. To help keep the shape and size of the garment, make sure to machine wash and dry it daily. That's all for now. If you need additional help or have any questions, visit Juzo.ca or Juzo.ca. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Juzo!